We guide you through how to repost on X Twitter. So the first thing you need to do is to open your X app or website and log in into your account, then scroll through your feed or search for the post you want to repost. Once you find it, look for the repost icon, which looks like two arrows forming a square located below the post. Tap or click the icon and you'll see two options, repost and quote. Choose repost if you want to instantly share it to your followers as is, or select quote if you want to add your own comment before posting. After selecting your option, confirm the action and your repost will go live on your profile immediately. If you want to undo, just tap the repost icon again and select undo repost. And that's it. Simple, fast, and now you can boost posts, share content, and stay active on X with just a few clicks.